Throughout the ages, humans have always sought to use their intuition to gain spiritual guidance in various forms. Often it's been in prayer or meditation. Structured methods are the I Ching and tarot cards. Both of those require an interpreter of meaning. Recent methods include random inspirational quotes, or turning to a random page in the Bible and reflecting on its meaning. Hi, I'm Brian Walton, and some years ago I started a stream of consciousness journal to get in touch with my intuition. Every now and again I would find myself writing a few paragraphs of extraordinary wisdom and clarity, dealing with topics beyond my life experience. It's these paragraphs that form the basis of an exciting new iPad app as an interactive experience, and which is described as follows. The opening screen just has 3 buttons, and tapping on the Go icon initiates the intuitive selection process. This is the main screen. There are 2 aspects to your involvement in this process. The first is to actively focus on a topic of importance to you. Secondly, you use your intuition to select any one of the 12 buttons and tap on it to activate the selection process. You will then be presented with the relevant topic. So here's the result. The typical page runs from 1 to 3 minutes. It's always positive, sometimes poetic, and often uses metaphor. So it is suggested that you allow yourself to reflect on the meaning of the material, rather than an intellectual analysis. A neat feature I added is a narration to each reading, which can be accessed by double-tapping the speaker icon on the top left.
On Serenity.
When you finish reading, tapping on the return arrow icon in the bottom left will take you back to the basic screen. An additional feature of the application is that it always stores the last reading you intuitively selected. So, if you want to go back and reread it, you just have to tap on the review button. And again, we can close this by tapping on the return arrow. Choosing the reading using intuition is the basis for the creation of this application. However, people sometimes wish to read a topic based on the subject matter. So I've created an index of the whole lot, and you can access it just by tapping on the Browse button. This index of 144 wide-ranging inspirations should be sufficient to provide a lifetime of spiritual insights for your family and friends. That is when inspired, when desired, or when needed. All 144 topics can be accessed in the upgraded version of this application. However, a free sample version has been created to allow people to experience the richness of this material. The available topics in the sampler version are underlined in blue and can be accessed by tapping on those. For example, on clarity. And again, tapping on the return arrow takes us back to the base page. So that's a summary of the application. It's designed specifically for the iPad. You can get more information on the website listed below, including information on how to download it to your iPad. I hope you enjoy it. Feedback is always welcome.